Welcome to Orr Park in Montevallo, Alabama. This is a picture-perfect park in Shelby County. It is a 40-acre park that has traditional park amenities like a playground, athletic fields, picnic tables, and pavilions, but what makes it stand out is its walking trails. They have a trail named the Tinklewood Trail, named after the miner turned local woodworker artist Tim Tingle. It is like walking through a fairy tale, seeing the already dead trees turned into works of art. They also have a gazebo and the beautiful Shoal Creek gurgling along next to you as you walk. One thing to note is this is a suburb of a high crime city, Birmingham, and the athletic fields were being used by area soccer players when we visited, so it wasn't quite as serene and peaceful as we imagined it could be, and a few of the match participants peeked into our car after practice while we were parked, so that was super sketchy, but as long as you lock your car, you should be okay. See the links below for its Towns Park page, its county page on the park, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.